Okay, in this video segment we're going to install the Flybar cage, and these are the components: the Flybar, the two 1/2 mm spacers, the Flybar seesaw and the bearings installed, and the two cage pieces to make the cage. So first off, we're going to slide. Now keep in mind that it's actually easier to do this with the seesaw already installed on the head on the helicopter, just so it's in place. But we're going to just do this in a static format. One thing that's important to know is that you can't put one side on and then expect to put the other one on. It just doesn't work. You have to put it on evenly at an angle. So once you do that, it just slips on, and then you just maneuver around the spacer itself. You hear a click, then you hear a click. Once that's on, it's that simple. The other side goes on even a little bit easier because everything's in place. So you push it on just like so. Push it on until you get a click, and click. And that's it. And then you have your Flybar cage installed. I'm going to pull this out just to show you what it looks like. There's no way to put everything together and then slide the Flybar in. It's impossible. The measurements of each component: 30.1. And the spacers, you want, it says 1/2 mm, but you don't want it less than 1/2 mm. So this is 0.6, and this one here is actually 0.67. So as you can see, that still worked just fine. So that's how it's done. It's a little tricky, but once you do it a few times, it's a piece of cake.